Today we're smoking brisket.
Oh, tender, juicy, and oh, so flavorful.
Oh, and made even better with some homemade barbecue sauce.
Smoke this and you'll be a pitmaster in your own backyard.
Man, you ain't kidding.
Yes. Oh, y'all, we're smoking brisket.
I mean, we are down here in Texas, and so we got to do this right.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, we are.
So,
it is so good.
It's so good.
Okay, so let's start off with this rub.
So we got to get the rub.
Perfect for beef.
Exactly. So I've got 3 tablespoons of pepper, black pepper.
Brown black pepper.
Yes. And then I have a tablespoon of salt.
Sugar.
I knew it was one or the other. Oh.
So there's just a little sweetness to counterbalance that the kind of kick from the pepper.
And I got a tablespoon of onion powder. Got that one right.
Yeah.
And then I've got some chili powder. I've got 3 teaspoons of chili powder. This is gonna be good, y'all.
It is.
Then I've got 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. And then I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder.
That's right. Okay, you did it.
Yes, I did.
So it really complements this beef really well. So let's talk beef, you guys. This is what's called a flat brisket. So if you wanted to do an entire brisket, that's called a packer, and that's a big old chunk of meat.
Huge.
It is usually about 12 pounds, and it's got a point. And it's got a point, and it's got a flat.
Yes.
This is a flat. Flats are more commonly found. You can probably find them in your supermarket. Certainly down south you can, but we could get them up east as well. They're a more lean cut of meat. And but we think that when they're cooked just right, they are absolutely delicious. Points are got more marbling. That just means they got more fat, which means it's going to be super tender, super delicious. But they're harder to get. You need to go probably get ask your butcher for a point, or you could cook a whole thing. We've done all 3, and we love them both. But today,
we love them all.
So today we're doing a flat. So you want to get this started with what's called a salt brine, or a dry brine, and you can do this anywhere from 12 to, well, you can do it an hour in advance, but we'd recommend 12 to 24 hours in advance. And you just get your flat, and you liberally salt it all over with salt, and then top and bottom, and then you stick it in your fridge and just let it chill for a long time. 12 to 24 hours is best. Okay, now I'm going to just so then I've got this. I didn't wash it off. You want that salt to stay on there. There's no salt in the rub, and we are going to.
It's good and wet there.
Yeah, I don't want to overdo it.
Oh, okay.
And
I just want that rub to stick.
It is. We're going to moisten it with a little bit of water, just so that this rub will stick. And now I'm going to use my clean hand, and we're just going to liberally apply this.
And I've got the wood box here from our electric smoker, Smoking Tex. We love you. And I'm going to put, as you can tell, we've got our aprons from Smoking Tex as well. And then I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of, not 4 tablespoons, 4 ounces. We're using hickory today. Oh, there we go.
Those are wood chips, and so
wood chips.
Whatever your favorite. Hickory is great for beef, pecan, mesquite. Just read on the label; it'll tell you what is best. But yes, we are definitely.
Did you get the sides and everything?
We are definitely sporting our Smoking Tex, and let's talk just a little bit about our friends at Smoking Tex. They manufacture electric smokers, and we've had ours now for a number of years, and it just is so solid.
We
love it. So
it.
good. And but they have incredible customer service. They help you. They have accessories to make you do it, and
all different sizes of electric smokers.
They are so good.
I wish we had one in Jersey in our condo because you can't have open fire on condo balconies. Yeah. So these are perfect for those people.
Electric just controls the heat. It's so good. So, and if you and we love them so much, and so we've got a partnership with them. If you go to smokingtex.com and do the discount code LOON10, you get 10% off your entire order. I mean, it's awesome. Okay,
all right.
So you've got
I got the wood box ready.
You got the wood box ready to go. I've got my brisket ready to go. Let's go out to Smoking Tex. Okay, here we are, our beloved Smoking Tex electric smoker. I'm going to put our wood box down here over the heating element. Now, before we get started, you see I've got a pan down here. I'm going to fill this with some water. and that just creates steam, which circulates around in the smoker and just helps keep that brisket really, really moist and really, really tender. And now, let's put her in the old smoking Tex. Now you'll see we're smoking this brisket fat side down. There are different theories. Some folks like to do it fat side up. Some like to do it fat side down. We've done it both ways. We find we get really, really tender meat and flavorful when we do it fat side down. And this is because here the heating element is down below, and so the heat comes from below, and that fat layer helps really protect the meat, and it just keeps it super juicy and super flavorful. Okay, now another really, really key tool that you need is a digital thermometer. We get ours from ThermoPro. We've got a discount with them as well. You're gonna wanna insert it in the thickest part of the meat, right there. And then we're gonna close this up. And I'm gonna turn our to 225. Nice, low and slow is what we want. So let me talk a little bit about this cooking time that's gonna happen. So you're gonna start to see your temperature rise over the next 2 to 3 hours. And then what happens is we hit something called the stall. And then it hits usually around anywhere from 150 to 160. Usually for us, it's like 155. And it just stays there at that temperature, and that's called the stall. And there's something that's happening called evaporative cooling. It's pretty amazing, but it's just the moisture within the meat rises, and then that cools the meat off, and that just continues for hours. You can be in the stall for 5 to 6. We've had it sometimes like 10 hours. It's crazy. But there's a way that you can speed up the stall, and that is wrapping it in foil, and we'll show you that as soon as we hit the stall. Okay, so we are now officially in the stall, and we know that I said usually it's in the range of 150 to 160. We've been hovering at 149, and it's been close to 30 minutes, so close to 150. It's different every time. There are variables like the size of the meat, humidity, things like that. But anyway, we know we're in the stall now. So now, let's take a look at this. It's gonna smoke my eyes. Now, you may notice that my probe is in a different place. You want to check, if you feel like it's heating too quickly, you may want to try the probe. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Oh wow. In another location, which is what I did, and it was just the right temperature. So now we're going to do a little trick called the Texas crutch, which is going to help expedite this stall that we're going to be in. Otherwise, it will be endless hours. So we're going to bring this in and show you that little trick. Oh, the smell already is just so incredible. So now I'm going to
be gentle with it.
Very careful with it. And I'm going to bring it. So we're utilizing heavy-duty aluminum foil.
Yes.
And we're going to wrap it really tightly. The idea is that we don't want that any kind of air circulating around it.
Exactly.
You may have heard, and we've done this before too, that a lot of folks you wrap at this stage with pink butcher paper. Pink is the color of choice, and we've done that too. But a couple of times we've done it. It's hard to get that really tightly wrapped, and so it's still going to be exposed to that circulating air. The last time we did that, it was literally in the stall. It stayed in the stall for I think 10 hours, and then the brisket was still good, but it was not as tender as it should be. So we have found that wrapping it in foil is perfection. Okay, back into the smoker it goes, and we're gonna put our thermometer back into the thickest part and wait till it hits about anywhere from 195 to 203 degrees.
I like 195 because that means I could eat sooner.
but you can't eat quite then, because then we need to wrap it in a towel and let it hang out in a cooler for a bit.
Yeah, all right,
it's all
let's
a
go.
process.
Come on.
So, sun's going down. That means we're getting really, really close. So if you look here, we've got our temperature at 195. You want to go to 203, that's great, but we like 195. Okay, so now we are going to stand back, let that heat kind of escape. You see, what you might want to check every now and then on the water down there. If your water evaporates, you can add more, but we're good. I'm going to remove this thermometer. And now, if you see here, I've got a cooler. This is just one of our little igloos. We've lined it with a towel. What we need this to do is just rest for a little bit. So you can, the great thing about this is this stage, it just allows those juices to redistribute. It just continues to make the brisket really, really tender, and it's an important step. The cool thing about this is it will stay warm in there for easily up to 2 hours. So it gives you a little bit of leeway. If you're serving guests, you know that, okay, I've got guests are gonna be here in an hour, the guests are gonna be here in 2 hours. It's gonna stay warm. But then we open it up, and we slice it, and then we eat it. The time has finally come.
It has finally come.
I know, it has been it has been a labor of love. It
I
hasn't
can
been that much.
smell that from here.
The smell is, I am telling you. All right. So again, this is just helps you. This is great for.
Is it too hot for you?
No, I'm gonna just pull this out like this.
Okay.
And then we'll.
There we go. Come on over here.
Bring this right here.
Yeah, okay.
This is great just for helping you with timing. You know, then you can leave it in there. It does continue to cook a little bit more. It redistributes those juices, and
I'm not even listening to you talk right now.
I know. It is literally. It is an intoxicating.
Is that hot?
No.
That's right. Okay.
It's been about an hour.
Okay.
Look at that reveal.
Wow. Y'all.
That is-
Okay,
goodness
here,
gracious.
I'm just
Okay,
gonna
yep.
grab this
And
real
then I'll
quick,
just-
Chris, and you just pick that up and move it someplace else.
I hate to
You
get
got
rid-
it?
Yeah. I'm gonna just be careful. What we've done is we put a towel underneath because it's juicy, which is good.
It is juicy.
But those juices tend to run, you know, like I'm about to do
Here,
right
open up your drawer
So
first.
I'm good.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
You got it? All right.
What we put a towel under here just to help collect juices. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, Wesley is our meat slicer.
So
And
you want to go against the grain whenever you have a brisket or fajitas.
and explain what the grain
So
is.
you can see the grain
can
going
see
like
those
this
little
way.
lines.
So you don't want to cut that way. You want to cut against it. So if the grain's going this way, you cut this way.
Yeah, and that just makes every bite even that much
And I
more
can
tender.
see it through here.
Yeah, you can see it there.
All right, here we go, people. Oh,
It's cutting lovely.
wow. Okay, that looks pretty amazing. Okay.
If it tastes as good as it smells, then we are in business.
Oh, wow.
It's tender.
Oh, there's some nice juice in there. Oh.
And again, a flat.
Here comes Flo.
Here the dogs are swarming. The flat is definitely a leaner piece of meat. And so doing it in this technique ensures that you're going to have it really good and tender. That looks insane.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
gracious.
Oh, there's some lovely juice. Oh, thank you.
Wowzers.
Thank you for the juice.
Thank you for the juice. Isn't that a Lizzo song?
Make sure everybody can see those plates.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
So now we've got, we're doing this kind of old school, we're serving it with some good old white bread.
Yes.
That's how they do it here in Texas. We've got our homemade barbecue sauce. I warmed it just lightly on the stove. We normally would serve this with some, oh gosh, you know the sides like potato salad or baked beans.
Yeah.
Or pasta salad.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh, here we go, okay.
We're gonna get some right there.
Wow, I can just tell that's so tender.
Yes.
I just salivated.
All right, watch out. I'm coming with some over here. Watch out, Flo.
Got a dog.
Oh, Flo.
She's like, well, what do you expect?
Oh, you guys, look at that. Oh.
Holy smokes.
Here, let me give you a couple more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this burnt end for me.
Ooh, I love the burnt ends. Burnt
Yes.
ends are a thing.
Right there.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Okay, I am going to push this out of the way.
To the limit.
Push this over here. Get this in my. Get these things
You
off.
can also then, if you want, chop this, get your sharp knife and chop it, and then mix it with a little barbecue sauce for the most amazing chopped beef sandwich.
These things are so hard to get off.
Just keep working at it. Keep working at it. I'll keep killing time.
Okay. There we go. Okay, guys. Oh.
You've given me just a little sampling.
I did. Well, we're gonna demolish that later.
I know.
You guys.
That looks amazing. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
drizzle.
I'm gonna drizz.
I slightly warmed this. I think I mentioned that. Oh yeah, baby.
Okay. This has been waiting for us all day.
Smell.
The neighbors have been knocking on the door
I
like, what are you
know,
guys
people
doing?
Well, it sure smells good over here.
Oh, Chris.
So tender.
Yeah. I can cut it with a knife or a fork.
Yes.
Wow, you guys, look at that. All right, I'm just gonna,
Let's just
yeah,
do
I'm
it.
just gonna do it.
Okay, get ready for some silence. Maybe we should go out on the circuit.
I'm not gonna talk yet.
Oh my goodness gracious. It's worth the wait. You start this, really, you can start this by the time you're eating like 48 hours in advance of this, and it's worth every single minute.
A little on white
Put it
bread?
on the white bread. Yeah.
All right.
I know. We have got the major loon dance.
That
We may have a record. What?
is like 1,000,000,000% Luna prune. Smoked meat. That is,
Okay. You guys, we're gonna sit here and eat this.
Yes,
and
remember smokintex.com, Loon10 for 10% off all of their stuff.
They are top notch. Even their merchandise is
I
like
know.
top-notch.
I love
Right.
this. All right.
All right, we love you guys so much.
I gotta eat my burned end.
Eat some burnt ends, make brisket, and just be happy.
Do
All right,
it.
We love you
Do
guys.
it.
Bye.
Make brisket, not war.